Hello to all my friends out there. And so for this kind of food, it's best if it comes straight off the grill. This is hard to do. I'm doing it one-handed. Okay, so I'll come back to that. Okay, so I fry these tortillas on my grill. And let's see, I'll put a little hamburger. This is hamburger, onion, in case you didn't see the last video. So that's going to be a good little taco, right? They're, you know, when they're piping hot, best eaten right off the grill. This is not a very well prepared video, but you're getting the idea. Okay, so here's my delicious taco. That is all you need. I will taste it. I bought these at Ralph's. A little hot sauce is needed and some ketchup. So, okay, you guys. Tacos right off the grill.